home for a 10.
10! I'll give you
20. Your attention, please.
What is shaking? It is a beautiful morning here at the original Magic Kingdom, and it's going to be busy today. We luckily got in to the parking structure, and the lines weren't too long yet. When we were taking the tram, it was backed up all the way to Ball Road, which, yeah, that's quite far. So anyways, we're in the park. We didn't have to wait too long to get in, which is nice, but it is definitely going to be a very crowded day. And as you can tell from yesterday was ridiculously long. So I think Ashley stopped to take pictures. She did. But anyways, we're gonna make the best of it. We're finally hitting Fantasyland. That's where we're headed now. We couldn't get our coffee yet, so pardon my voice. It might kind of fade in and out until I get some coffee. And it's kind of interesting. I used to be the one that always needed coffee in the morning. But now that's Ashley, because she's got a new job. She works earlier in the morning. She gets coffee. She's right next to a Starbucks. Where for me, I work graveyards. I hardly ever drink coffee anymore. But anyways, that's off topic. We're here. And the pretty castle. The pretty baby castle. So anyways, we're maybe going to get coffee. If not, we're going to see which lines are the shortest and try to ride all of Fantasyland. One ride down. I always love Pinocchio in the morning. We always start with Snow White, but it was unfortunately broken down. And Ashley's gonna go look at shops. That don't surprise me. I believe this is the first time since we've been back that we've gotten to see Pinocchio, or not Pinocchio, Dumbo. I think. Right, Ash? It's the first time we've seen the new Dumbo?
Yeah, I don't like it.
It's just like Florida. Where are you going? Thought we were doing Casey's. Were we doing Casey's? Where is Casey's? Is it over there? It's a beautiful morning. Casey's Junior's coming round the track. Casey's Junior's back. Oh, turnstile. We got the back! We got the back! We never get the back!
Casey Junior's coming down the track with a smoky stack. Little Martha coming round the hill. Casey's here to thrill every Jack and Jill. Every time his funny little whistle sounds, everybody knows who the circus grounds. Time for lemonade and Cracker Jack. Casey Junior's back. Casey Junior's back. Everybody knows who the circus grounds. Time for lemonade and Cracker Jack. Casey Junior's back. Casey Junior's back.
All right, when we were on the ride, we discovered this is open for breakfast. Red Rose Tavern is open. Does anything look good? The flatbread? It's got salmon on it. You can't have it.
Oh, really?
There's their breakfast sandwich, though. Breakfast platter.
Well, I don't like this place anymore.
Because of the seafood?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. But they are finally getting a new sign. And you can tell it's still got the... But they're ordering a permanent sign. So anyone that likes Red Rose, it's staying. It's not going anywhere. But anyways, where are we headed? You have no idea. Are you taking pictures or are you looking at your pictures? Yeah, you're looking at your pictures. Let's wander. You can either ride or go find food. But we can try to ride Dumbo. But I'm kind of happy though. They're finally going to get a normal, permanent sign. I mean, I'm gonna miss Village House because I loved the food there. I mean, I absolutely loved the food. But I love Beauty and the Beast, so anytime there's more Beauty and the Beast stuff. We can't do Dumbo? Is it too? Oh, mackerel. Oh yeah, it's a busy day. What's Toad already? You want to ride the carousel? We can ride the carousel. Let's ride the carousel, guys. Yeah, let's do Toad after. It's not too long. Oh no, Ashley's horse is gonna win. Oh nope, I'm in the back. Nope, nope, there she goes. And I'm back ahead, I'm back ahead, I'm back ahead. Oh nope, there it goes again. I'm really full of energy today, guys. Hit it, Mickey, hit it, Mickey, hit it, Mickey. You can never see it. We gotta stalk the prey. Crikey, that's a big woody. Alright, I'm just messing. But I always enjoy walking back here. Just because, I don't know if it's just because it's new, but I just love the detail back here. And I think Ashley does too. But I still miss the Jamboree. There's a snake in my boot. Ooh. I was going to do a whole spiel while we walked through you can't really call it new, but Big Thunder Trail. But then Woody, we were just, there he was. So we were enamored by him, so I couldn't really do any spiels. So we are headed over to hopefully ride Pirates finally. We have a fast pass for Haunted Mansion. I just made one for Thunder, but we still haven't eaten. We still have no coffee. All we've had is some grapes because Ashley bought, I guess, an ornament, like a snowman ornament cup, and it came with grapes. But anyways, that's where we're headed. I guess I wanted to say, have you guys gotten tired of Big Thunder Trail? I mean, when it first opened, it was like the thing that everyone had to check out and see. Have you gotten tired of it yet? I still love it, especially at night. To me, it's gorgeous. But of course, we miss Big Thunder Ranch that was back there. So, and then there's one other thing. Will they get rid of all of this when Star Wars, or I guess this off season? Because if you look, you can get rid of all of this to create more space, because this is going to be a major walkway to Star Wars Land. But will they get rid of all of this? We were talking about it yesterday, about clearing more space for Star Wars Land. And that was like my main thing, was let's get rid of all of that right there. So what's your guys' opinion? Do you think they will start wiping things out this coming off season? Because in July, Star Wars Land will be open and they will need more space.
Seen the cursed treasure. Now, you scurvy scoundrel! Do I hear 10? A hen for a 10! 10! I'll give you 20 for the wrong! Pipe down, you little-livered lubber! Strike your feathers, dear. Show 'em your slot. Oh, it's the treasure map for sure, and no mistake. And by thunder, that scoundrel.
That's exactly like sunshine in a cup.